Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, dear viewers. And here today in our recipe we are going to see how to make Boondi Raita. So let's get into the kitchen. To begin to make the raita for Boondi Raita, so I need a few ingredients. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, a half cup of Boondi which I bought it from the store, and I have a little bit of cilantro chopped, and I have some store-bought yogurt, and I'm going to use some black salt, and I'm not going to use some salt because the store-bought yogurt contains salt. So let's see how we begin with. For this, to begin with, I have to measure the yogurt. I'm going to add the yogurt in. I have 1 cup of yogurt. I'm going to add over here. And let's whip this yogurt till it's soft and light. Always begin with number 1, your slower speed, till the mixture well mixed, and we may increase the speed now. The yogurt is whipped already, so now I'm going to add some spices. So I'm going to add approximately about 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, or they call it as the Himalayan Pink Salt, and you whip it again just till everything is mixed. I have to taste it and see whether it's enough or not. Oh yes, it is just perfect. And at this point we shall start garnishing the raita. So I shall add the whipped yogurt, I shall add half of this, and I will add the balance yogurt, and at this point I'm going to add some roasted cumin powder. It is about 1/2 teaspoon, and then some cilantro, and the balance of the Boondi. and finally some Kashmiri red chili powder. Hello viewers, and here's the end product for the Boondi Raita. So I hope you try it out in your home, and it's very soothing for the summertime and winter time. So with any kind, and it goes well with any kind of dishes, bread and so on. It's a good dip. So I hope you try it out in your own kitchen, and let me know if you're missing out of anything. So, and I hope you like this channel. Do like, share and subscribe, and click the bell icon. And see you in my next video. Till then, bye for now.